Design, and I'm here with the Button Farm Club today. I am so excited to introduce you to the March card kit. This is my subscription kit. So if you're subscribed already, you don't have to order. You'll be automatically billed and shipped. If you're not subscribed, you can sign up at the Button Farm Club. And once all the subscriptions are filled, if you would love this kit, then if we have any kits left over, we fulfill those in order of how they come in. So anyway, let's take a look at this kit. It's springtime. I am so in the mood for a romantic, shabby chic little card kit. And this paper is gorgeous. So I've laid everything out for you that we're getting. Look at these cute little wooden houses. You're going to get 9 of these in the kit. They are adorable and they fit with the theme so beautifully. I think you're going to really love these papers. They're unusual and they're gorgeous. And then we're going to get 5 of these beautiful paper doilies, 8 gorgeous wooden buttons, this adorable little birdhouse charm. I'm going to hold this up so you can see it. Look how cute that is. I love it. And then we have 8 yards of twine, which is just this beautiful cream, which is going to be perfect with this paper collection. Then for our papers, we're going to get the creative pad. This is an A6 pad. You're going to get 9 double-sided sheets, and even the images on the cover of this can be used. This collection, when they came out with this and I found it, I was just blown away. So lots of beautiful fussy cuts. We can use punches to take these buttons out. Beautiful color tones, just so shabby chic and beautiful. I'm just in love with this kit. I'm so excited that we were able to get it, because a lot of times these kits come out and they just disappear. I think the hardest thing about this kit is going to be deciding what to use, which side of the paper to use. It's just magnificent. So I hope you're as excited about this as I am. Look at this great sentiment page. This makes it so easy to add sentiments to a card. Then just a wonderful, look at these sweet bird houses. I'm loving this paper collection. I can't wait to get my scissors out and start cutting. So you're going to get all of that. And then you're also going to get the entire 12 by 12 patterns pad, which is 8 double-sided sheets. And once again, we will use the cover. There's word tiles here, beautiful. Can you just see how instant cards practically? So pretty. It's gorgeous all over floral. And then this wonderful leaf pattern. These fabulous lavender and white flowers. And then these beautiful birds on the back. So you can see some of the patterns do repeat with the A4, which I'm actually happy about, because sometimes I want to use both. Look at these precious bird houses, and we're going to do something really fun with these. This great muted plaid. Everything feels like springtime in this collection. It's just really wonderful. These are clusters that we can fussy cut and use as focal images, this great wood grain on the back, a diagonal plaid, and then all these sweet birds and nests. So lots of gorgeous paper, and I'm excited to begin to design with that. Then you're going to get, to make our card bases, 6 sheets of 6 by 12 natural cardstock, and 4 sheets of 12 by 12. And as always, we'll make something special. Everything's not just cards. I like to throw something unexpected in, and I have an idea brewing in my mind that I think we can carry it off. So anyway, I just wanted you to get a sneak peek of the paper that we're using. And I'm going to post this up so you guys can see, and you can go ahead and check it out at Button Farm Club. And I'll be back shortly showing you what we're making. So what did we make? Well, let me tell you guys, this kit turned out even better than I imagined it. We started off making this adorable little home decor piece. We make the little box, and then these precious little shaped trifold cards. Look at these, how cute they are. Let me open one up. We use our twine. And these fold out like this. There's little pockets with little flip down elements, tags, pull out elements. They're just so cute. I love this project. And it's a wonderful gift. Look at the sweet little tags. I mean, it's just a wonderful, wonderful gift. So that's the first thing we make. And I show you a sneaky trick for how to set these up for display at home. And this one, same idea. Then we make these wonderful slimline cards with gift card pockets and plenty of room to write notes. So you can slip your gift card in here and you can write your message over here. So there's 1 and 2. So sweet. You're going to learn a lot of collage tips and layering tips, sneaky ways to use your paper and stretch it out. This is a really, really, really good class this time, guys. Then we make these fun, let me find them, cutaway cards with belly bands. This collection really lends itself to the use of belly bands, so we use them a lot. Precious little cutaway cards with itty bitty tag pockets and room to write a sentiment over here. So there's 1, 2 of these. So sweet for springtime. Then the next thing we make are these wonderful gatefold, double gatefold cards. These also have a belly band. Look at the sweet little houses. And then this pulls open like this. So you've got this really cool double gatefold design, little tag in the pocket. So there's 1 and 2 of these. This one has a tea theme, so sweet. Aren't they darling? So there's those. The next thing we make are these 5x7, this 5x7 pocket card. This is gorgeous. It uses our little charm, really cool, learning how to make your own little embellishments with bits and bobs. A sweet little tag pocket up here. And then down in here, a little tea sachet. And you learn how to do all of that. So these are just great basic things that you can add to your crafting repertoire. Here's another lovely, this is made with just scraps, you guys. This is actually the very last card that we, the next to the last card that we make. But look, sweet little pockets, darling little tag pockets, journaling cards. This collection, if you love birds like I do and Shabby Chic, this is a fabulous collection. And I just share some of my very best paper saving tips. Of course, we have to have easel cards because they are my favorite. So there are 2 of these wonderful easel cards, also with tiny little tag pockets and pocket inserts. So sweet. This one and this one. These make the most beautiful gifts. And with Mother's Day right around the corner and Easter, these are perfect for either of those. Here's another little tea sachet. See how sweet? And then the very last thing we do, this I may be the most proud of. This is what we did with our leftover scraps, and it turned out fabulous. So you are going to learn so many tips about how to use up those little bits and bobs of your favorite papers to make wonderful little elements. You can use these, you can actually put these in scrapbooks, you can use these in folios, you can use this kind of stuff even on layouts. So I'm just sharing all my best tips. It's like I pulled out all the stops with this card kit. It is a winner. So I just had to show you what we're making. I'm so excited to present this kit. I'm really proud of it. It's some of my best work. You can order yours at Button Farm Club and get your craft on. Thanks for joining me, Kathy Clement for Button Farm Club. Bye.